với kan lệ khabu release in com hi program kha athen chuan kan dong anga tlang pui kan sei thuak thuak anga chairman hi ke hi doctoral engkima Department of Political Science and head of department lai kan hi chuan masa very devotion kan hunte pathian hena min han sakturin Major Richard Balangaka Territorial Youth Secretary Salvation Army Indian Eastern Territory som
Dr. Long Zualan le khabu thatak mai alo pe fel theita chumia ta chuanin hun se mang tu ten mi han so ma lom thu kan soya hun lutaka hun thatak mai mi han pe ve alo mom ka ti tina ma ko du sakna ka lan le bok tani pathian thu kan siaranga pathian thu la tak mai tukina hen he hun min pe ka chia tur kan khan chu achu thu fing te bung khat chang sari thu kan zawai kan hriat tho akha venia hian han tar lan kan du thu fing te bung khat chang sari lalpa tri hi fin na bul ani nima sela mi a te chuan fin na le zirtir na an musit train lalpa tu thiang him kan siar te malmin som sakro se zakopale khathona chuan fin na du chuan pathian ne na dil turin min zirtira fin na le hriat na te kim mai hi lalpa ne na mi ani hei kan bible nge te po hi pathianin a hriat tira inspiration ro pui ta ka tangin hriat tirna tanga ziak tu ten an lo ziak chu ani zirmi te chuan kum sang khat le zanga chung vel ziak ani thu te kan bible hi an soya kan hritlang vakin ka ringe mi somli nan ziaka chung ziak tu te chuanin khami kum sang khat le zanga chung khan an mani hun thewa an ziaka a then te chu le khathiam takten nia a then te chu mithiam lem lo te an nia amaro chu chung ho chu pathian hena ta hriat tir na donga an ziak kha voinia hian le khabu thatak mai kan bible min kai hloi tu pathian thu min kai hloi tu hi kan lo nei ta chu chu tukina hian ka han soi du na chan chu pathian in thei na te fin na te min pe hriat na te min pe a hne na ta chung te chu kan don ania chung kan don te chu mi in a thei na le a thiam na te pe a ziak chualo chuan hun lo la kal zel turami te tan khan lutna om lo fo thin ani an hriat na kha an bo puyan ma ni om lo rualin chung an hriat na ten thiam na te kha a lo bo mai thina hei hoina hian kan naw Dr. Lalom Zuala khiang te hian le khabu thatak mai Mizoram in rel bol na ta na thil poimo tak mai tur min lo chop suwa lo pui thing ta hi alu ka tia hei hian nakin hun lo lokal zel tura te po mithiam zok te lo lokal zel tu te thang than lo lokal zel tu te tin kan ram a village level in rel bol na tan te po thil tangkai tak ani theyang ti ka ringa chuwang chuan hetianga a hriat na te a thiam na te midang ta na lo tangkai thei tura buat saya hanom te hi ru ka tia ru pui ka tia hele ka bu hilal pan mala so manga tangkai takin man ani zelang ti kan ringa chu chu kan du thu sam le kan tong try na te po ani bok khani pathian ma kan hun te lanin hilo kunang lalpa chungnung ber kan pathian min mangai tu voina kan hun man hi nangin min ria sakang ti kan ringa Dr. Lalom Zuala khiang te in a theina tam tak le hun tam tak te sum le pai te ngai tu na tam tak te seng in le khabu thatak mai village council system in Mizoram 6 schedule and non 6 schedule te alo pe thei ta hi aro pui kan tia kan lo mai ne lom thu kan soi ni fin na te hriat na te chu nang ma hne na mi ni kan nun na nge te po hilal pa nang ma hne na mi ni kan taksa kan eng kim mai kan thil nei zong so te po hilal pa ni na taka chuan in na ta kan don vek ani voinia hian hetianga thei na kan naw Dr. Lalom Zuala hne na ipe hi kan lo mai ne lom thu kan soya thei na ipek ta sau chuan du tok lovin chung a riat na te a thei na te a thiam na chu midang tan mal som na halo ni theina tura le khabu thatak mai lo pe ta te hi kan lo mai ne lom thu kan soya voinia heng le khabu te hi a chira piang te le tangkai ta ka mang du lo zong te tin mamo tu tin re te ta na mal som na riat na bel cha tu te kai suai tu thatak lo ni se kan duai ku ta kan hlana ne tina ma doctor lom zuala nge po ine na kan kolti ra thiam na te hi pek te rong bo na te chane ngai takina in pe a mang thina chu me mai pi alama azir na sikula te chane ngai takina thoka mang thina a hun lo ka zel tu rai kai suai na te kan di lai ku ta kan hlana ne voinia hian he book release na ta na local zong song te kan program lom zo tur zong song te ku ta kan hlana azawa hian nang imin ria sakla malmin son sakla kan unau te kan thian te kan ram ta na kan in hlan na le kan tho na tan te heng kan hun man te hi mal som na lo chang sela kan za tan lok na duam tak lo ni se kan du a ikuta kan in kol ti re chung jong jong su kan lal pa du ta iso krista mangin tang di le amen
de kan program kal da ngai kan sun zong le anga hei vai ni lo mong te mai ni a hetian ang ICFA University in kan tong hi kan lom le maya abi takin ka lom na ti bel sa de tu pakhato oma kan soi sim se mang hei tarma hian pu ke lian tu la oma sang ba na college kan kal lai kan principal thin na ya ani min zirti tiru pakhat kala hiat reng chu wala syllabus si by heart perfect la pass ini mai min ti thin na rang kan syllabus si kal by heart so char chara ti hi kan lo theng ta ni ti kha kan soi duwa chu apoi mo khom mai kan naw te theng hian tu chu kan na zirti chun zom se na syllabus si kan by heart ti chun zom ze la ti kha a hiat lang ni han soi kan duwa ti ang zirti tu tha kan nei hi kan lom le mai ti kha chan hem mai thuwa kan soi ve him shima ti chuan kan khwal lian lo welcome na tan kan cultural dance te cultural club te cultural dance nei turin kan so manga anin pei to mo le cultural club te an kun mang turin so mang u ICFA University hian club sang kan nei ya kan culture club te hi club active le tho hlo bel te jinga mi ani chau char chara kan lom thin le maya kha lam moi tak hunom tak melon chop chu saka culture club te kan lom tak met me ani ti kha me no khiat sakula le kan program ahun ale pe ka kan kalanga welcome address nei turin kan vice chancellor zom tak professor Gin Lianor Muril some.
Let me see whether I can finish the welcome address in 4 minutes flat. On behalf of the ICFA University Mizoram, we really do extend a very warm welcome to all of you. And so good to see measures stepping up here for the Word of God. I happen to be the product of the Salvation Army Children Training School. So I believe that is an added touch to the whole thing. But I don't know. It seems every good thing seems to be happening with the Salvation Army these days, especially within Mizoram. I think these are great days for the Salvation Army. So wonderful of the conductor to start 2 minutes ahead of time. I think that itself is a great achievement. And I must confess that particular dancing is something that I don't think money can buy that. Any person would love to watch that. I hope the YouTube recording would bring much more thing to that. A very special welcome to our chief guest. Kan long tak zedin kan neitu ni natsan hian cabinet minister rank pakan. Make it your home in Angdeu hian ICFA University in Ron Banganga helaya kan pu kan mua rang bana in productive pakat hian meeting around conduct heitsu kilomom takin kan ya. We are so thankful that you are now stepping in. Make it a practice to step in again and again so that good things happen. And to Pulom Zuala, I believe the topic you have chosen is a little bit catchy, very appropriate. I like that thing about this village council system. I think nowhere in the world can we get a system like this, a process that is working. And I hope states that has not implemented the village council should also step up to that. And that is another way of saying to Professor Z. Dongel, Tunia Ipata Nahung Zautsu, Kawading in Lung Timnum Tain, Aumin, Tangpatung Tain Jong Aumin. He happened to be one of our upcoming stars that we can produce. I was just speaking in Kuki, Kado Kuki, Kakipalewe, Tunia Kalawan Nahung Zao Teizong. And with that note, I will just say thank you so much for stepping in, making this ICFA your home. I could go on and on about many things that happen in ICFA. I joined this on the 1st of August 2025. That means hardly a month and some few days. But after that, we had a very beautiful way of honoring, celebrating the legacy of Pusi Dina. I think he has been decorating so many people, so many musicians in Mizoram and even beyond Mizoram. So we thought it is appropriate that we find a way to decorate him. And of course, after that, we have started a PhD program. We have kick-start that program, and I believe in the next year onwards, it's going to be a very competitive one. Because across the boundaries of Myanmar as well as Manipur, I think a lot of candidates will be stepping in. I am happy because more competition, the better. With this note, I just want to say, Kan Lom Takzede, Kan Lome. Thank you.
Vice Chancellor, Chuma Kan Lom Takzede Zeta, Abun Lutak Sengin Helaya, Menon Tel Pui Thaya. Masa Chuma Kan Lom Edika, kan soi non ve le tu shima le book introduction nei turin author kan so manga hei le kaburo pui tak asual suaka he le kabu abuat soi na kong le ajin kong a hian harsana tam takatoka a hiat pui tu te chen te jinga mi kani vein ka sia kai ponaro pui ta le maya adu zong te a vei zong te ponenga adu lo zong theng theng te ponen chu sei turin Dr. Alonzo la kiang te somang u.
Thank you, respected Chairman. This is a special day for me. This is a big achievement from myself, not only for myself. This is an achievement of IFA University Mizoram. I would like to thank to our Honorable Chief Guest Pusil Alfonso Ibunga, Honorable Cabinet Minister, District Council and Minority Affairs Minister, Government of Mizoram, Professor Jia Donggal, Honorable Professor from Mizoram University, the Honorable Dr. David Lomzuala, our Registrar, and my dear fellows and students. So this is indeed a great privilege for me to stand here. It was beyond expectation for me. It is beyond imagine, it is beyond dream. A person coming from a small village, having a very humble background and very humble family background, let's say. It is beyond imagination for me. So this is unthinkable, let's say. So due to the grace of God, I can achieve this. First, let the glory to be God, our Almighty. And secondly, I want to say thankful, or I want to express my gratitude to Professor Jia Donggal, who is my supervisor in my PhD and who is my advisor, not only but even my advisor, he is my guide and my everything. He is like my second parent. Thank you, sir, once again. So let me continue in Mizo. Okay? So I will mix Mizo and English. Hele kabu lau chua thei na tur hian me poimo tak mai oma chu chu Professor Jia Donggal abik takin kan tin tir lenga kut ilau beng chale tiang sar ko mai takin lo ding sala ani hi englai pomin fui reng tu nia ama wangen PhD degree kan nei thei pha pathian ti lo chon na poimo operani ka tan voina ka achievement nei hian chu chu credit hi pek lo thei lo ania chu chu kan soi non le tu ni chu chu mai pe lama voina kan soi du chu hele khabu hi le khabu satli ani lo research base ania ka thesis PhD thesis kha a book form in ti kha karu hen om ngai me lo ma ro chu nikum October thabor vela changkhan kan ngai to ve dawa hei kapu hi ka te mai thina lo je thiam mula ming hen kan ko kan din ko me lawa kapu ina hen ka valenga alo phur khop mai ni hi chomo tang chu te chu ta international publisher lian do Balaji Publications an phone ngala an ni khanin min la welcome maya it's one process kan kal chozela January thabor vela kan forwarding te min zia sakati chuanin kan the khata it's on editing no te ka han ti chowa in chi arai chowe khop maya it's chuanin tun August thachan tir khan an pai thu min ram shila chu chu ania it's chuanin vo in ni peli lo mo thei ta ni te ma to zongin ti chuan chu ta chuanin apia lama thilpoi mo mai oma chu chu atlang zar tu rania bai sei phak lo bai sei ve de oro boxin pusoya he kan minister zom tak hi pu ne han lo in shato village council working committee review committee ta po a chair na mo he pu de han lo thok ho ta chu gavador de china chu August first week vel khani alo rem chang amar chu ni kha kan fix chi thai talawa maro chu printing vela kan har sat na no oma engamo Kunglaya Delhi vela farmers protest vela lo om chowa thil kha smooth lei the lawa ti chuanin printing kha kan han tol ta sheta ti chuanin thamasa lai hall atop lampang khan ni chu 27 khani tang ka hri aizola lo thlenga ti chuanin aron thlen tuk chia khan ka valeng le abu soya office a hian alo fel khop maya ani alo in hong khop maya ti chuan voin ni hi kan lo thleng thei ta a ti to menga toy zongin ni kuwa kha kan fix sama ro chu arjen to main hun lo na ya ti chuan voin hi arem chang zong main kan lo thleng ta ani pusoya chunga big takin lom thu kan sele voin po hen meeting sang sang na ya e tu na po hen da thuma meeting na ya amaro chu priority min ron pe a kalom khop mai ti kha pusoya chunga lom thu kan shil non le ani chu ti chuanin hele khabu hi chaptar sariin bung sariin then ania pakhatna chuanin data collection kan timaya materials collection chungchang ania hi primary database hi atam zok ka employer hemi titur hianin 6 schedule hi hela henaron langa enge 6 schedule le non 6 schedule ti hi ti poi kan lo in zot mai theya 6 schedule kan ti chuanin India dan pui constitution a hian schedule som pahnih kan neya chumi schedule rukna hnuaiah chuanin notice a tribal ho in rel bol na tur big hi ada a chumi hnuaiah chuan special administrative region an awma chu autonomous district council an ti maya Mizoram a hian pathum kan neya Lai autonomous district council le Changma autonomous district council le Mar autonomous district council te an neya chu voina po hen kan chief guest pa ein me len ka shia district council and minority affairs minister alo ni na khan chu cover study na sakup maya sang ni som ni lockdown mother tang kan feel to ki ka chana kum ni tha zen zon ang chu ka ti ni chu ti chuan chak ma hora ma te po kan variak lot lo panin nei na po chum ni lai chu ruai ta cover che mana custom sang te kan va experience sa in de na sang an dan le dun te atiang khan ya experience ngai nom tak le lo tak mai ka char chu ka ni te kha kan sei tu ati chuanin district council big so 6 schedule kan ti chu ni tamaya khata khanin Changma autonomous district council a chon administrative headquarter Kamalanagar Mizoina chongte kan ti thina kha ania khata khanin e field talk kavanaya village council pakhat kan thanga ti chon rural village pakhat udal thana anti kha kan thang boka ti chuanin Mar autonomous district council lama chon no tlang te ni o tlang kan ti thin kha khata le an capital chung administrative headquarter chung sia ha ania ti chuan Lai autonomous district council no chuanin longtai veng pakhat college veng ale an thing tlang ko pakhat sai ka yu khan ania tin heta nan 6 schedule lama chuan Champhai district le Serchhip district le Kolasip district atangin an administrative headquarter atangin village council pakhat cheu le rural atangin pakhat cheu kha ania sample hi liana sample size po hi alien khop maya e hele hi le kapusatlian lo kam ti to kha tha le zung sum tam tak sengin anti arin tla to kam ti khalo ringula research base hi chu nial thelo khan ni tok mai ni achan chu kan findings khan ni bewo wang khan ti chuanin hele khabu hianin chapter 1 a chan chung bor vel ta chu kan ziak chawa enga moni kha literature review te le research strong kam do le chapter 1 ni chu kan kal kananga ti chuan chapter 2 a hianin ka soi ta hianin o chapter 1 a khanin village administration chu enge grassroots democracy enge ti va ka chip chiar do in ka ziaka kha ania ti chuanin chapter 2 a hianin village council system ron pian dan Mizoram ron pian dan evolution of village council system in Mizoram ti khania chata chuan ta lal hun an ron to British administration atangin top lama tagin nunoi lam 1940s chawa tagin kan trace chawa heavy historical and analytical ania kan base hi ti chuanin chief council lu say chief council Mizo chief council an ti to khang ho shwai tu sang ta ho te ka interview ti chuan khang kan soi area tanga VC sang te le village council administration atanga involved tu officials poimo tak te kha kan interview boka ka interview ruat po hi ami sing hi chon bi somret panga velai an nia khatiang kha ania aha poka ha puyani chun mi kara chuanin beidon na lenga mokha aum ve zok thina mi hrenga chuan min fui phur reng tu chu ka chung te ba ka chuan hei ka supervisor an saki alawa min fui reng tu min ti phur reng tu ania ti te kha kan soinon le tu ani ti chuan hei apoi mo khop mai village council an pian an lal ba na tangin engwangin nge lal kha ba nan ni ti ang chi te ti chuanin lal ba ni enge honga nei ti te ania village council hi sangka zakwa somnga pathuma khan Dalusai Hills District Village Councils Act 1953 di kha Mizo District Council khan an pasa khata changa man chang kha ania kan mang chho tangara ti chuan village council an special na big chu India rama village administrative system dang kan nei panchayat raj kan tin an hian danglam na anaya chu a special na big chu village council chu chieftainship IO2 lal IO2 ni wang khan ram chung changa mo phurna thuk tak men nei pawa an nei chu wang chuanin village council te an thu mai ni kami village council like 1953 no ka chuan khatiang an thu dan te eng chen nge thu nei nan lo nei ti te eng chen nge il munan pek the khatiang chi zung kha chip chir takin ka zia kan ne ka bo hian chu ania voinia chan competitive wall ta kan cheng to MPSC panin mizo subject mizo history and culture practice pakhata da top to chu wang chan competitive timek te tan po atang kai viewin karinga hele khabu hi ti chuanin village council administration ron pian dona thil tur sang te mizo zinga political awakening ron om chho ang chi te le khatiang chi sang in lak lon cho dana kha a historical evidence ne uno kha le khabu sang lak kho mati ania chu wang chuanin nei man hla viau tura ka ngai ani ti chuanin chumi pa ka chon VC alo piang chowa 16 August 1954 ka village council Mizoram pumpuya sitting pasabaran nei ania village council day ya soi ali tangenge ya tatang khan vo inni thanin mai mit lo in village council lo oma hemi Lusai Hills District Village Council B ka hi act B ka hi kan mang chho ngara ti chuan Congress sarkar te mer sarkar te po khan vibrant local self government hi min tiam thina amaro chu an hun line an te lo ting thei che lo thina ti chuan in hei zat piam an ron sarkara ngai poi mo an ron nei ta kum khat le chan ve vel ning ka shia ka soi so lo chuan hei voinia kan chief guest chairman ania te la kan LD minister ania ti chuan in the Mizoram Village Council Act 2025 ti kha March khan kan lo nei thei ta amar chei a full feel man ala thei lo tram kal lai mek hi ala ma wang hian nakin a tram kal lai zo hian a full in an mangin ka ringa chu tiang ta chu kan zep ta lok do ni chu ke chona hemi le khabu bi ka chuanin VC te na thu nei an nei sang te village administration a poi mo na an nei ang chi te development an khoi chi zong ate kha chip chiar dawin zi ani chu kan shet chian du chuan kan lenga kan lo chiar tok mai don nia ti kha kan sei do ni chu a rei lu tu ka la om box sia ti chuanin chu pa ka chuanin VC te in real ball dan te le eng chen nge an thu nei na ti ang chi te le khati ang chi ang zong ate kha zia ani boka ti chuan apat poi mo ber zinga ka ngai chu chapter 5 hi ania chu ta chuanin panchayat raj le village council system ka comparative study detail dawin ka da hi care listed journal Indian Journal of Political Science Professor Donggel and joint publication kan nei to nge chu chiar thain khovel pumpuya chiar thain om ton hi ka kan sei du ani chu ti chon heta hianin 11 schedule enge power village panchayat raj nei enge VC nan nei velo ti ang zong khat chip chiar do in da ania ti chuanin chu mai ba ka chuanin chapter 5 chapter 6 hian village council ten problems and prospect khagada chu study based an mani a ground reality lo thok tak tu a feel ta cheng ho te kha kan interview NGO try to sang te po kan interview kan sei mai pakhat chu changmara ma po so ta yang changma association ang che te changma mahila den na ya heta malaturia pi yang che te kha yang che sang ho ka a variety khop maya opinion hi chuta an problem ang che te VC ten mu dan te an na to dan sang te kha public opinion te po kha ta fe kan ne hemi bu hianin ti chuanin hei kan chief guest stand po hianin a chan department tan pen appoint mo ton fia win ka shia chu van chanin vain hapo hianin copy nga mo zat thamin hon sak ton kan shia lom tu kan sei lo kan ni chu ti chuanin ato pera hianin major findings sang che kan da chu ta chuanin VC tan nakhatyang harsat na sang sang atang andon tal chua da tur ang chi suggestion sang sang tele enge maba kan nei ti khani kha le kha bu pum pui chu ne maya soi tur chu na tam lu tu ka English in kara ni prepare mo chu kan chairman kan de zo tong vet kan ron kai shwai ta sia ti chuanin so it is I think it's enough for now so to know if you are inspired to know the details about the book it is a must have okay so to conclude my speech the book is available at 15% off for today thank you
So actually, no one should hesitate to speak either in English or Mizo. Hey, kan program kan duan don khan entertainment lampang kan tapa. Ela ma hian zai thiam deu kol ma ila nu te lo ni to aren che ko box lo wa. Wo to theng sui pai ni zai mai do ni te kan han tia. Ting vel chu kan han nia. Zai thiam tu te kan zonga kan han tira prapa salmon te salom te nan hian kan han shallow em khapama lo chu banai thak takin nula jo than pui udai kon 2019 in milo man sak thai lo maya kan lom le maya ani zai tuin kan so manga chuan book preview nei tuin doctor lo mon kui te kha lo win ding sela thange ne so lo turin nula jo than pui so me ma zo thang pui kan lom le mai zai kiam khop mai le ale khaburis te kan nei zela kan release ma chin til pakat ti tur lo ma chu book preview nei turin Dr. Lal Mona Guinte kan so mga ni hi etilaya Department of Political Science kan khopui ani ani apunte mang turin ali so me.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Chief Guests, respected professors, esteemed guests, dear colleagues and students. It is a privilege to have the honor to preview a book, Village Council System in Mizoram, 6th Schedule and the non-6th Schedule, authored by Dr. Lalom Zuala Kiangte. Local self-government is at the bottom of a pyramid of government institutions, with the state government at the middle and the national government at the apex. It is also known as grassroots democracy. It represents the most important symbols of democracy. The local self-government has been introduced in India since time immemorial, but it gains constitutional status through the Constitution 73rd Amendment Act 1992 and the Constitution 74th Amendment Act 1992. In Mizoram, the Lusai Hills District Village Councils Act 1953 was introduced as a replacement to traditional chieftainship in Mizoram. The Boyolkhe Regional Council was the only regional council in India that was established in accordance with the provision provided in paragraph 2 of the 6th Schedule of the Constitution of India, from which the present 3 autonomous district councils of Mizoram sprung up. The Assam Lusai Hills District Council Acquisition of Chiefs' Rights Act 1954 came into effect from April 1st, 1954 in the jurisdictions of the Lusai Hills District Council, and from April 15, 1954 in the area under the Boyolkhe Regional Council. This resulted in the cessation of rights and interests of 259 chiefs ruling in the Lusai Hills District Council area and 50 chiefs of the Boyolkhe Regional Council. A mammoth task of conducting field walks in the 3 non-6th Schedule districts of Mizoram, that is Champhai, Serchhip and Kolasip districts, and the 6th Schedule area of Chakma Autonomous District Councils, Mara Autonomous District Councils, Lai Autonomous District Councils, and interviews were taken from village councils presidents and members including leaders of civil societies from selected villages and districts, focusing upon the prospect of village council functioning with appropriate powers and responsibilities based on village councils acts in the 6th Schedules and the non-6th Schedule areas of Mizoram. Decoding the limitations and shortcomings of the village council system in Mizoram, the author skillfully suggested on the remedy of challenges faced by local self-government in Mizoram, considering the limitations of public participation in decision-making. All members of the village council should be consulted in making plans or programs for the people to have sense of belonging. As it is a known fact, there is a separate administrative system in the rural and urban areas in other parts of India. The importance of introducing a separate local administrative system in village and notified census towns in Mizoram is also brilliantly noted. Since political instability became a common problem shaped by village councils, therefore, as a means of curbing rampant political defection, the government should introduce an anti-defection law as the village councils level is also recommended. Addressing the topic of political representation, the author identified that only a single reservation seat for women is practiced in every village councils of the 3 autonomous district councils. And the village council system of the non-scheduled area also had unequal reservation of women seats. This clearly indicates the necessity for the revision of the existing scheme of reservation of seats for women in the village council system restructuring to achieve gender balance in the local level administration. Following rational investigation, the village council system is almost similar to the panchayat system in other states of India. An analysis of information and relevant facts from the study of the working of 12 village councils in the 6th schedule area and the non-6th schedule area of Mizoram, the author precisely pointed out the common problems faced by village councils in Mizoram commonly comprises of insufficiency in finance support, the vulnerability of the single structure of village council compared to panchayat system, and problems of reservation. Therefore, it is recommendable that the state government should increase the revenue share of the village councils as similar to the panchayat. The increase of administrative power of the village councils through legislation is a must to improve the status of village councils in Mizoram. The adoption of Article 243H will also make the village councils financially self-sufficient. In addition to the above, the author vibrantly adores about the possibility of the introduction of some prospects of the Panchayati Raj provisions among the village councils of Mizoram, the introductions of two-tier structure of village council based on the line of two-tier structure of Panchayati Raj institution, that is village and district level, which is in force in the states of Assam, Haryana, Manipur, Orissa, and Kerala, will ensure more involvement of mass participation. Due to its dynamic and unwavering contents, the book is a compelling read for everyone who are interested, and which could be noted down by our policy makers as well to make a change on the functioning and the working of village council system in Mizoram. Thank you.
Ale kabu kalau siapa ni kalau na akim cangkok maya big takin reservation cungcang te le rural budget tipun angai cungcang te ngai nom takin arun soya takto mo na kulte cuma kan nom le mai ti kan soi le dua le abubui berakan lu tonga book release le ku soi nei turi ku sil soi bunga cabinet ministers om takkan somanga chumi ma chuan hei memento chete kan buat sei ya kan department hian pusei bunga khalo chuak sela kan mission hian min han saksela chuan lekha bu release le chu soi nai chun sam don ya
Chairman, and devotion min man saktu Major Richard Vanal Ngaka, Professor Gindiandal, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Daniel Pukelian Tuala, Ikfai University teaching staff and non-teaching staff zong tele zirlai te Wainia Huntratak Maigan and Mangho Te Lomum Kati Achibai Kabuk Chewa Injinga Kalotel Ve Van Nei Kain Pileni Kan lekhabu release to he release ang halalong viava kan release mayanga thutoy te tlem te soiro chu katum ve thung don ani Mizoram Village Council lo indin chok da Village Council kalphung ain rel bol na le athu nei na tin harsat na anto kongkhang sang te zir chian na le zirbing na le khabu buat sai aloni a voinia release thei tura alo om ta hi alom om tak zet ani village council system in Mizoram 6 schedule and non 6 schedule ti Dr. K lalom zuala Dr. K lalom zuala khiang te ina abuat sai le khaburo tling le chen fak om tak tur hi lom takin release सरकार थर सांहि समनि पथुम दिसंबर निया ताखान लाख लुन हिया खता खान kan ho tu te du sakna in minister te lang kai kan hania ta chuan chi na kan ngai thla kan khan led kha min han lak tir hota ti chuan led nuaya village council te sarkar angin kan han en kol chau khan kan dan man me ka tha 1953 kha ania a hlui hle to maya khati hun la ya dan thatta ka kha tun huna hi chuan phang kim to lo tam tak a oma thak ngai le pai ngai te bel ngai te tam tak alo om ta a chu wang chuan a dan thar sarkar nasa kan nei te po ina thak atulani amen ringot ni tolovin repeal atulani ti a man lo lak to na akha a thei pato choin hei hoinia pudo nge la ho hian kan han be chawa a enge ni kan be na sakha mai dan kha ni thuai atru na kha kong tam taka a oma chuwang chuan kan ha le la a committee te po an ha ani voi kha thuta hian jingdar soma transela tlaidar nga dar ruka te hian achang chuan an ban thina tin political party rang te NGO rang te mi thiam mi bik te kan in rom boka chutian chon tu na chuan dan thar kan lo nei thei ta ni voinia led kha a department an khan a om chia to lova om chia to lo ti mai la amalgamate anya RD department ne achan te kha soi thain ka khia a rural development department le led hi in then sang theia lo kal ko tlat mai kha ania training engkim a heng village council malak na RD ni pen led ni point kal khan thei lo kha ania wangin karil ruwa amalgamation hi athamai omane kan ramtan ti kha lo oma kan pu kan chief minister kha kan berona ani poina thang a min han ti puya ti chuan kan secretary sarkara senior ote kan berona anni in changtu minister te hian an ui thina an tia chu har sabna alo om thin dang kha lo nia ke chuan ka ui velo katia ti chuan azir kan hanzir chianga kabineta kapulu ta ti chuan tuna chuan amalgamate ania rural development and administration ti in da anitani ami po hi kanna ti khale in karinga ka ui deva achan chu local administration akha a department mi nga po hian a ti that le a tulin ka khia ka tia kala rop le dona ni ren changa chuan khang te kha a kan soi thuak masani India ram hi democracy ram ani angin mi pui te hi ram ro rel na le in rel bol na kong ranga hian an lal ma din hun poimo taka mi pui te hi kan ding ani ti chuan mi pui ro rel na kan ti hi hlom thum lian pui puya thren ania sarkar lai pui kan tia chu enge ni union government kan ti kha nia apa ni le na chuan state sarkar ania tin apathum na chuan tual chung sarkar grassroots level government kan tia grassroots democracy te po trong kam kal che chuan in kan man khani chu voinia le khabu rotling tak ron ziak tuina ron ziak tual chung rel bo na chung chang hi ania apoimo le ania chu tiam chon democracy long len pui pathumin thren ani tin indian roi tu ro pui tak pu mahatma gandhi ate independence nuwa pu nehru ate kha hemi abi takin tol chung in rel bol na hi an ngai poimo ma ngai ni ril lian bera khan an nei thina mo ti mai tu ania tiang chong tol chung sarkar grassroots level government chakle thatak mai din hi an ril ru om lian le an du thu sam an thina ti chuan an ngai dana tol chung sarkar tha le chak hi ram in rel bon na tha kan ti le ram hason ram chak sarkar chak kan ti chutiang an din na atana abul pui poimo ber tia anu sei thin kha ani hei hi kan khriat chian po thaklo maya voinia hian village council member te omse ka chak ma a chan chu hele khabu ina minti bengvar satya mai ni lovin dan hriat na khotlam tan ro kan rel na min kai khwai tu dan le dun hriat na konga te na an thona tur konga hei hianin kong ako mu dan tur te ka ngai tu hian when hian village council ma hian hele ka bu hi release sa soi te po hi acha ka ti ka cha ren khop maya chu tiam chon tol chung in rel bol na hi india ma kan nampa kan khoi tu ma sa te khan an lo ngai poi mo ania hemi ti ho king tur hian india dang pui siam ani khan part 4 chu article somthum paru atanga songa pakhat khan bil tel ania chu directive principles of state policy kan ti mai thrina kha ani tichuan helaya article somlina noya pheichuan state sarkar tin te chuan tol chung sarkar thale chaktak siam turin mo an phurang ti in ai ziak nge ni central sarkar in chak takena bo zui zela kum sang kha zakwa som kwa pahnia khan prime minister pv narasimha rao kai koina nuaya dan pui siam thatna voi somsari pathum alu omta chuta chuan dan puya part 9 article 243 to 243 o kan ti mai kha ta khan da lu alo ni ta ani ti chuan he dan bung le chang hian India rama tual chung sarkar chak tak le thil ti thei tak panchayati raj system anti kha he dan hoi tang hian din alo ni ta ma se he mi India mar chak bi ka hian Meghalaya te Nagaland te Mizoram te tin engeni hill areas of Manipur te Gorkha Territorial Council te kha article 233 m nuaya khan ngai na thiam na ti mai ang exemption kan ti mai ang yang chu alo min peta ti chuan village council system hi district hun laya loading to chu thingtlang khwa te in rel bol nan kan lo mang chun zom chho ta zel ani ti chuan village council system hi Mizorama chuan kum san kha zakwa somma pathuma gas ni som paru VCD tran nia tang khan grassroots government alo ni ta zela mason na rural thona te khorang khanga mason na thona atan te le dan le thupe ken ko na konga te VC te hi an tangka mani Dalusai Hill District Village Council Act 1953 village dan pui kan ti maya kha tun riat lai amen ani nuwa kumin March nhưng ra người thì anh ấy khác, bữa đầu nghe rồi đi khách thấy nhưng các căn mắng kiểu lắm mà ya, khát ta khăn assembly repeal in từ nào chuan đàn thar căn lâu này ta này, thì chuan Hill Village Council Bill 2025 thì Mizoram Legislative Assembly khan tiền chuan March ni ru khanin ka ka swal mai thaya kan pass ni kha alo passa ti chang ga nor pompuina assentment po kha nga la nei ani nga la chu tian chuan Mizoram Gazeta March nisom di panga kumina khan publish ni in kahria ti chuan the Mizoram Village Council Act 2025 tu na chuan kan lo nei ta ni ni china kan din tir hei pu do nge la hi amazon hak tu ber ame voi ni hei a thukhi me soi tur po ma ngotin ka ringa dan tha min chok chua sak tu le min pe tu te jinga mi kan mi thiam nei ania lu le ani assembly a po khan min kha kalam chuak hial ani bitangkai tak ani he dan thar noya hian VC te po thu nei na zau zo chang thum zo pe an nia he dan thara hian an mani tual chunga chia an lak ve theina tur te po kha bil tel ani nge ani chu tian chuan thu nei na zau zo le chang thum zo pe ani ti chuan ama thu nei na an nei ngai lo chi rang kha dan thara hian pe an nia India dan pui 11 schedule zul zuin an thu nei na area po zal tak siam ani poka ti chuan tun vi sitram kalme ki an man zo chuan apum purumin he dan thar manghian kan village council te hian ro an mani jurisdiction chunga an rel thei to don ani anga le lom plea kan village council member te po hian mani po association angin min ron muwa an manan na le a fu la manan na le thu te min ron fil nge ani village council te hian an tho na te po kong rang hian har sat na an to thrina chu chu sarkara ten ron thena sarkar point thei pato chena chin fel dan te alo ngai tu pui thri na chungan harsa na to thin te po hele khabua hian a inzia ka entin nge nyang engtia sol tur nge ti chen khan heta hian kan mu thei ni hele khabu hi a chuanom tak zet ani tin hei village council hian a thang tu party kan oma democracy noya India hi party system kan nia ti chuan party khang ten candidate te kan han the chua ka thantlin an lo ni ta chu te ha thantlin an ni nuwa chuan an uire fo thin ani chu wang chuan hei hi min ti boi tu tak te po an nge tin kan ngai na autonomous district council phei sak chu boi thak amangan thak maya hei kum khat le teng kan en kola har sa ve takani chan chu anti defection law hi CCB rules an nei lo ti chuan VC te po ni tho kan da na khan ma se dan khara hi chuan mumal takin ron om chho banga tin tu na hian 125th Indian Constitution Amendment na ADC te bi ka hian anti defection law hi kan recommend ani chu ka chu vai nia hian thil kan recommend thil chuak thar deu ange an ron pom thei chuan sarkar malak na tharania kan recommend nge tin direct funding po solam ho tang kan recommend an ti te kha vai nia hian kan sei lang tel du ani ti chuan Mizoram physical phung alo in chawdana thu nei na le har sarnan to rang zir chian na neya le khabu bu se vai nia tia kan han release thei ta hi alom om katia a release tu kan mi le zel te hi van nei kan ti khop maya hele khabu min ziak sak tu doctor ke lalom zuala chunga atharin lom thu ka soyani tin hei Mizoram Village Council zong te pa ka Autonomous District Council VC 10 hele khabu hi chher na chang khria se zir na chang khria se antam a hlok thakin fin na tam tak hele khabu tang hian anchar ka bei se ya chu tiang tur chuan du sakna po ka hlana tam theyang ber hei hi entinge kan sem chua theyang ti te po hi ngril ruwa ngai tu na alu omani voinia hian hetiang le khaburo tling le chuan om tak chen pa om tak achiar tu apiang te tifing thei tu tur le khabu kan han release thei hi alom om tak zeta le khabu bo sai tu Dr. K lalom zuala le IFA University teaching staff le non teaching staff te zero liaison zong te chunga long thu soyeni alome
kan chief guest usilo soi kuma chunga kan dom mai kha ale khabu kha alo bi le mai ti asia ta nom tak zeta elaya mino release sak po riwa po kan long to sa te lun le khatia an lo chiang na lo chi ka thun nei nam tak kan soi kha kan long na abe le ni kha kan soi lam le special address ni durin Professor J. Dongel kan so mga pu J. Dongel ki wena kan le khabu release tak zia tu to ta to long zo ki ten yan kan pu pi kan ya mi singa pension kan pu anan ti ke zela ni sanju ni PhD kan research supervisor ve ani ani an academician cha kan nei hi Mizoram political science community chuan kan chuang de ti kha kan soi lang tel wa kha kan minister soi to Mizoram in rel pol na chu chang ape ko tha au tho le to along pui mo le ti kha kan ria nga kan suam le ni kan sei bel ve shim wa le special address ni turin Professor J Dong le somangu.
Chief Guest of the book release program, Honorable Cabinet Minister in charge of District Council and Minority Affairs, Government of Mizoram, Ulal Soibunga, Honorable Vice Chancellor, IPHA University, Professor Gillian Lalpuril, faculty, staff and students of IPHA University, Mizoram, invitees, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a happy and auspicious occasion that book release program of Dr. Lalongzo Lakhiangte can be arranged in such a grand manner today. I do really feel honored to be his supervisor today. And now let me switch over my speech in Mizo. Voina lekhabu tangzo na hun ro pui tak kan mang thehi along le in kathria tun hun khen hian PhD kan hoya PhD zo hi som pakhat an ni to a voina kan meeting chairman hi kan hoya zo apalina ania chuan Dr. Lalongzo Lakhiangte hi aparukna ania asapo asom pakhat na chi ko heta hian na thua midang hi an lo lang thei lowa din thesis lekhabua ka scholarly na thesis book forma publish loma hi apanina ania publish masader tu chu kanoya PhD zo masader Dr. C Joseph C Lalgam Rota tuna hian Government Aizawl College sa Department of Political Science assistant professor ania ani hian kum sangni somni pakhat October tha khan a thesis book forma publish ka atlang zara chumi hun laya assembly Mizoram Legislative Assembly speaker pularin liana saido ana atlang zak saka amaro chu hemi hun hi Fulbright program America komla ni bangin katel theilawa poi ka ti khop maya voinero Aizawl kom rem san laya kanaute lekhabu tang zalna kom thegi keipo kalom the ani tin voina ale khabu kan tlang zal sak loma hi mitum rutak mitai matak ani atir chon thiri aman har deu thina kanin hauna thei khop mai maya ahan man tak tak za za hi na man le a chiang le e me mani chu ani chuan kaka voina athora kanwa aloma ama hi mitwal sel takania in nahi adile ngai lowa I tu ti hi agona zerin azo thina helam panga hisan kalom kho maya voina kan kolen na tlang zota lekhabu hi lekhabu thutak ramlen nam nu khoi pat thei lekhabu ania tin Soitong Khan Village Council System in Mizoram 6 schedule and non 6 schedule ania chuwangin atlang zona atan po hian Village Council enkol na lam pangami tho pu soibonga nge ini theise diama hi thuron kalopia tisuan voina District Council and Minority Affairs Minister hian atlang zol theya tin ani kan du na chan po kha LED alo en kola tin LED alo en kol na noya LED minister ni na Village Council dan kha siam chan alo ni ta dik che chuan a champion ku yani sarkar ma sa po khan Village Council drafting committee akan kom thowa enga mosan kha kan tia ma si assembly atang the lewani pusoya hisun adi hin ave tak taka chuan ke ni member ho po kha min ti phurani the phato pin kan thoa ka ti kan kan roman ang khan za kha chona tlang lowa maro chu something is better than nothing tiang deu khan enga moza kha tuna hian nichinan soi Constitution 73rd Amendment Act 1992 panchayat in real bolna sarkar lai puin alo siam kha engma maza mizotan himjin engma maza khatuna hen kan la do to ne chuan panchayat ki hian aming hin kan hel ringut thina chuan tuna po hian panchayat ti kha lak lu ani lowa gram panchayat po man ani lowa amara chu khami aya kan village assembly van tlang in khom ti te khan panchayat te po khan da ania chuan keimani nam kalphung ti dal theitu le keimani nam kalphung ti boi theitu khani lovin a development kan man tangkai theichin a him chin kha tuna hian lak lu me ania tin hemi ayan na sazo po hi lo lak lu theizel ni ta se along om he don ani tin village council chungchang hi research sar tam takin an khoi to amaro chu village council chungchang an study a hian aizo la lung le hian kan lo mo ti mai tur ni se mi tam takin an lo khoi to mun hadam pang de hian an thleng lo reng chuan loma phd kanoya ti don khan village council lam ka tu ye ti bang kan chu ni chuan scholar ho tu mai an la khoi lo six schedule area hi neglect ani thina tin village council a ro po six schedule le non six schedule area hi engamo chan ai inan lo na ni ya chuwang chon hemi khai hin na comparative study hi ti la chu contribution ro pui tak ani anga ram la nam tan po athuanga tin kha ro thu lo ni don ani katia ma po khan tha atia achan chu village council hi apoi mo mema village council hi angwange apoi mo kan ti suan kan riat angin keini hi tunma village council hi kan tan suan zona kha tho tan suan sarkar lai pu yani kumpinu sarkar lo lu ma khan state sarkar lai pu kan ne song lo lal ro riang na kha lal kha thu to ani me ya tin tuna political science theory a kan je sarkar hian lung thu pathum ane dan cm tu legislative dan ken ko tu executive tin dan engamo a fu lo na lo umchon asiam ram tu judiciary hi khang zong kha lala hian ai na dani lal ko dam ve kan ni keimani traditional system a hi son chuwang chon apoi mo mani hemi village council ro riam na chu tin mizoram a hi suan kumsam ka chu ko somnga palia chieftaincy lal ro riam na in real bol na kha ti to bani to amaro chu zona tha ram lo mun than kha dai son tun ma ang deu kan lal ro riam na hi ala kalani manipur tlang rama te le mun than kha po chitako hill tracks lama po ala li tho chu ania tin ka ngai to thina chieftainship chungchang hi research project ka lo ti to son tun hun thenga ka ngai to chu lal khan nei tu ni na thin lung ownership responsibility an lo nei ani ram sunga ramsa niamo leilung thil so ka niamo thing le ma niamo ram nom aniamo nei tu ni na ril ru tak khan la lo khan an lo em kol sina duat po ka chumi ownership responsibility an nei tu ni na lalin aneyang khan lal thak tu village council hian nei tu ni na hian neyam ti kai ngai to forward ni tu hom chan hian achan chu lalowin nei tu ni nan nei dan chu chieftainship project ka beilai me khan government laklai ko le sa ka tho lai nia chuan tunma pai thar lal fapa MCS retire nia chuan district council khan MDC king boka puminga ka va ko mani ani khan atiat laya anchen chin kha so yani kapa hi kan hopela che khonin akal thina ti a ho huna hian kho thim no hi na lo ho deu tlang pu ya chu kanu hian voi khadia hauta enge ramsa sakei sai rang tak an tam sia zana hian ni lo ho zel sia tuna tangyen ข้อเอ็นลายยันโลกอตุ้มต่อรอาติอาส่วนกระปากันช้างตาอาติลลกันเนี่ยการรำสุงอาทิลุมจงจงฮีกตาเวกันเนี่ยทิ้งละมาโปรำเลลุงชวกโปรำซาเตปอเนตาเสกตาเวกอันปูกันเนี่ยอันปูฮิจูเห็นนี่เที่ยวเห็นอันที่ดูตาโลริมมังมินจะอาจงกันว่าอย่างนี้เทวกันนี่เสียงว่าเงี้ยอีลาวอาติอาขัดยังก็กันละโลกันเรื่องในตัวนี้น่า responsibility ถิ่นลุงขันโลบัวนี่ส่วนผู้เสียอย่างนี้พอลลสุงกว่ามีเนี่ยนี่น่าที่เลี้ยงส่วนละค่ะอันนี้ตาส่วนกุมพินุสรกาลโลกัลมาจังคันเกนี่ฮิจวนเฮมานี่เราอินเรียลาลลเอ็งกิมาทุตลลจุงอาเฮียนเอ็งมาตูมานุมโตโลนี่ละชาติโลสุตีขันยาจู่ๆเกนี่กัน traditional administrative system กันโลอินละช่องดันอันนี้เลยตูน่าเฮียนเฮมี democratic decentralization ฮีรำตินะไงไปหมอนตานี่จวนตูรำปอนิตาเสตัวสุงสรกาลนิทราตัวสุงสรกาลนัทอกเทียเสียมาตัวสุงสรกาลจักเนียเพียงฮิรำจังกัง G7 G8 กันติเทขันนี่เดียวกันนี่สุดทีนรำเรเทกันติเตcorruption ตำนารำกันติเตรำจังกังเทโลกันติเตค่ะตัวสุงสรกาลยันทุนนี่หันในเทโลแรงอามุนปุยาจังอินันถามไปกาส่วนตัวสุนทรการขันนัทอกเทลอินันเสียมันนี่อาจารย์จู Fulbright program มาคุมสังนิสอมนิปะคดา USA research กับปฏิคันอันตัวสุนอินเรลบอลดานฮีก็ observe นี่ตัวสุนทรการ municipality นี่อโม rural หลังปอนิตาเสอันง่ายไปหมออันนี้ส่วนทีนอินทรันปอฮีอันง่ายไปหมอเขาไม่อาทีนอันก้มนั่นเตกับ follow นี่ที่ยาจังยันกับทิลสีนะส่วนตัวสุงอินสันนาเพศนั้นนี่ยังให้มี voter เขา option นั้นไปสร้างครอบใน US ส่วน until นั้นvote ขัด first vote ออกมา second vote ออกมาเดียตาขัดขันดูทันนัสานแต่คำยิ่งปุยขันเปียชินซินนาทีก่อนลายขันชินซินนาทีมาโยอินสันนาขันdemocrat เวียค่ะอันจริงเวียชัดไหนนี่สิอัตตอบขันขัดอย่างเดียวค่ะอันนี้ตาส่วน decentralization กันที่อินเดียรำที่ส่วนอโลง่ายไปหมดโจฟ้าที่อินเดียกันนี่มาจังยินเวทีกุนาจังยินอันนี้ส่วนเห็นมีปัญเสียตัวสุนทรการีอันโลในตอนนี้วายโหยส่วนเกี่ยนี่จู East India Company โลรู้ตาอดีตตะเกียนมิโซรัมและจีนฮิลส์จีนดูใช้ expedition of 1889 1890มินโลรูนะ violent ปนีนะข้าตาจังคันมานี่ดูทันนั่นโลกันอินเดียกันโลดิจันคันนี่ไม่ยาซูมีมาโจฟาเตอินเดียกันนี่มาจังยินไวโฮส่วนอันโลกัลปุยตัวทีนกุมพินุสร์การอินเดียโลลูพวกคันเฮปัญเซียอินเรียลบอลนะฮิตรานที่ส่วนลอดรีปอนส์ผู้นาจังคันกุมสังขัดจะเรียนสอนเรียนเวลาจังคันชัตตากากัลปุยตัวคันมาคันโลลาอามารอจูเบสยังคันมาคันซ่อนเทลวะส่วนอินเดียอินจะเล่นนั้นส่วนลายพวกคันเฮปัญเซียมังอาขัวที่สังการตัวเล่ขัวโรเรียลนะที่จักตัวที่ค่ะมีปุยเตฟปุยนานอันโลมังตัวนี้ส่วนอินเดียดันปุยันปมดอนปอคันดร. B.R. Ambedkar อินเดียดันปุยป้าเบิร์กันที่ Father of the Indian Constitution กันที่ข้าศึกอดูโลวันนี้อาจารย์สุอดีตตะเกียนอินเดียฮินดูโฮฮีคาสวาร์นาซิสเต็มคาสปลีนันเองชนะนำหน่วยนุ่งเล่นำเตรียมจอบเตะค่ะอาสามจอบบรามินและสัตยาหุพันอันมุสิลาส่วนปัญญาที่ทุนในเปียปอนี่ละเฮียนเจียนในระหว่างที่กันดร. B.R. Ambedkar ขันอาดูชัดไม่ยามารอจูอินเดียนำป้ามันมากันที่ขัน a phut thlat awangin article som lina dan lo nia directive principles of state policy directive principles of state policy thil da rim hi chu ti puitlin theingal ni levin sarkar tan homework an da sakani chu parliament in danan siam hun huna ti puitlin atan article 40 a khan lo da chu kumsang ka ko sompo pani khan constitution 73rd amendment eka panchayat system ka India rampum puya rol tlang taka kalpui turin remti parliament in lo pasta chuan nichina kan polene na tanga kan ngai tha kan chuta chuan hiat thiam bik khanum ta ni Mizoram Nagaland Meghalaya Manipur Tlangram le Darjeeling Gorkha Hill Council te chuan an mani state legislative assembly in 2/3 majority RMT nan pass ani lo chuan ania man ani lawang balui ani lawang tin ani chu chutiang bok chuan mainland lama tribal ho kenin dumka kan ti ho po hian an lo mang lawa schedule area po amaro chu sarkar lai pu hian ngai to a hei hi atrulani man ngai nian tie wangin schedule area chuan panchayat extension in schedule area pisa hi kumsang ka ko somko paru khan an lo mang tan to a chu tiang bok chuan India mal chaka man lo namuna te po hian hei man na ya ni ti khan sarkar lai pu hian ave ne ma chu ministry of panchayati raj an boi pui na sa ha chu an al ha pakhat khan lo nia chuwang chuan kumsang ka ko somviet pariata pura Rajiv Gandhi prime minister ni la in long trai aropigia thu soi na hun lo ne ya chuan in village council da ni siamram ola panchayat system tlen ni lalu ola panchayat ji thu nei theinin siamanga chuta chon panchayati raj fund hi direct in khwa alo long lu anga chuta chuan village council ho hi na thok thei thu nei thein direct funding kan pedon ani ti khana lo soya asoi tumber chu village council ti sakanya khaka politician trend khat le party trend khat in misinterpret in direct funding an ta center atanga state sarkar kalkana district council a fund lo ru the an tur khan direct funding an lo ti a chuang zon sarkar lai puin atiam chu panchayati raj fund hi in village council dan hi siamre mola chu ta chuan panchayati raj fund mangin khwa te hi siam chang ka ngan ni don ni ti na zo kha alo ni asu chu tun hun thleng hian atui pui tu engama za thi an lo mani ama ro kha kha democratic decentralization village empowerment kha atum zo kan ya tin Professor David Shimley hemi UPSC chairman hui kha ani kai hoina noya hian home ministry commission dina member kaloni bia chuan village council le hetiang village administration ti sakna tura tan khan chu project kha kan lo be ya kha kumsang ni papu khan home ministry a kan convener Professor David Shimley khan asubmit to a chu mi a kan finding po kha engam maza te tu na yan ka yana constitution 125 amendment bill a hian atelani chuang chuan constitution 125 amendment bill po hian atum chu district council kha thu nei na sang jok le poisa po pie ka amaro chu unfund du dan tur kha hemi state finance commission kaltangin andong atia state kalkanin andong angatin lo rim ka kan chen direct funding khali de lo chuang chuan democratic decentralization le village empowerment ani ti kha 125th amendment po ni achiang mani chuan tunlai hi village council hi lekhabu ka en to te hi kan en thale dewa asan chu transforming Mizoram movement ho khan Mizoram in panchayati raj paper lo bot saila jil ho turin antia ka han ena tunma atang khan anvei ber chu he village council hi ahun takin in thanum se village council a hian poisa tamjok long lut se na thok thaya siam se ni se tika recommendation kha lo ni vekani sang ka chu som nga atang khan kha local jel ka tuna hemi 73rd amendment lo so san kha anita a so yang khan Mizoram 6 schedule area hi chu ani local self LAD thanin an neya revenue po thanin an neya chuwang chon state sarkar kha anwai ral theilowa tin chuwang chuan an village council kaldan po hi adang diu reta until nan tunma village council in hemi court thu nei na village council court an nei na kha an nei kha 6 schedule lam chon an la chom rengani amaro chu non 6 schedule state sarkar in an call village council a hi chuan court hi chu om to lawa dan kan siam lai po khan law and judicial lam ne hian kan in nial na sa thina kan pu hian a thireng anga ani chuan legal point of view in an tia ke chuan constitutional point of view in kan ti tak tak kha chu chang le soiturian thasam dewa amaro chu hemi an soya chuan legal point of view wa tanga he tenga court in khai dia da court to a village council la court kha arem lo lom an tia khan an mani a law and judicial department na chu an mani du dan kan kalta amaro chu village council 6 schedule area chuan village council DCP hi village council court president po alani zel ni tuna fo hian hi au yung katia le lama chon lalro rel na kan sun jom na identity pakhat ania amaro chu a thajok tura tuna legal provision anga in hel dam lo na ani awangin apoi lowa tin tuna hian tolsum sarkar hi siam chak angai dan chu village council thu nei na pi angai dan chu sailanga real konga lo thang to chuan KMMTP road alo tlang ani chuan akiap atang hian ti hian Asian highway hemi alo pui tling ani chuan nam chitin ren an lo ru don chuan boulder post champhai lam aniamo tlabung lam sangau khoi lai lai a kati khan trade boulder trade honani kha chuan mi chitin ren in heti hian min lo po don ta ni chumi huna chi chuan village council hian ahun taka emergency nan thok theilo ni chuan engkima district magistrate amo Mizoram sarkar amo ronjel ngai ani chuan thil poi the atheng tur kha theng jo vek to don emergency la thei na thok thei tora village council kha thuam chaka ngaya tuna kan lo pui dan hemi man tur poi athalu to amro chu tuna development kan ma san mek ngai tu hian review le poi hala ngai mai the tin Mizoram chu tuna hian town notified town kan ti chuan som thu matling to em ka pu tuna hian notified town ni notified town som thum ating to amro chu municipality nahi pani chia aizola municipal corporation ma lum le municipal council ma district headquarter dang zong hi town ani na in VC in rom khom an la ni thlet village an la ni thlet chuang circle lai pu history du ta se village council road rail na noya in la umzela urban development fund in dong thei lawang te ta se kan che sol thei de lan chuang municipality po hi lunglia hen tok lo se mun danga thei lo ni po in district headquarter ho wa tel hian municipal council hi din thei ni ta se kha ramtan po hian engamo chana hian mason na ani thei dona chuang ram mason se ani nang takin ram le nam hi in hum him theila tin ani na ang takin kan ram le kan nam hi kan chan kan tum chuan tol sum sarkar kan ti sakangai chu ni lowa district headquarter DC le aizola thunei tu te koda mun khil khora mi te ani nga zel chun emergency kan na an thok thei man don lowa chuan ani na ang taga na village council te na tho hi ram le nam him na tan po hian apoi mo a tin ma kan son na ta na tu ra tan po hian apoi mo ni tu na po hian march kha assembly na pom to village council ekhi he village council VCO in an man trak mang tran ma anga tun ma ai kan nan thokam chu ania amaro chu heta hian la du tok lo vela tin azir bing mi te research ho po in zil zel la research ho finding hi decision making authority sarkar po in mangtrang kai zel ta se khata khan ramlen nam tan thok thul kan ya heng zong zong alu in fun khom zon chu chuan ramlen nam ma son na le ramlen nam him na kha alu siam don ani chuan voina hemi tolsum sarkar chung changa lekha pu thatak kan chang zari alom ma hemi hi kan nan chang kai ngei po ari no ma tin voina kan pon lian hiam abc ho po hi hemi lekha hi an ma di library chewa da thei turian direction ni lo pe ta sian ngai pai mo ari no ma chu tiang bok zon led lam po hi an jil tama an chiar tam anga yani ole kalome
Professor J làm này là cần làm thế mày anh ấy khi ấy cần về lệ lóc là mình kem tế dấu hạt thạc dấu pha tế gì là mình kem tế Fulbright scholarship một hệ gì ngắm mi anh ấy cần xuống thế mày cần sửa khăn các tôi lòng rồi nên phải chọn anh nung khi cần duy dấu lâu cần thế anh ấy mà em mà thiêm em mà nung cần duy dấu lâu thế mày thì khá cần về lóc tụi le book presentation kan nei do na nga an author khalawin ring se chu mi chung chuan thu sei du lawin ring de bok ta ula big takin hei dr zo te kan wa tin kan registrar te po hi dr David te po hi kan be se le wa tin dr sam sa le dr sang sa ni te po ma tin saloma chung te lang pang tang pon ni se hei a classmate te po ka huwa lawin ring sa se ma lo sei rei vak la vila hai kan hun tek liam deuh dak to a chan chu ai refreshment in huwa ka pona hian a oma ma lo chu pona an sar don lawa a chunga an on sar don a chuan chuan chunga an om ram ina ti kha kan sei lan du boka le book presentation ni turin kan le khabu ji tu doctor lo zo khian te so me
kan break a fail do ka ring sa shim shima kan sei tui do lak thina tlem hanin book presentation hi kan devotional le kan vice chancellor zom tak khan kan ruang mana ani hi alo suak de maya elo meeting kan registrar zom tak khan ai oi alo don sak mai don nia tuna join vice chancellor present tur hi kan unau paper show shetika ke vanna shetika la suak ta sela registrar zom tak khan vice chancellor ai oi min lo dan sam me se kan chiar lo kange with deepest regards and respect tini chuan ka signature om bokani heta hianin ngin te ula ti chuan atot le chuan kan devotional major chat vanal ka I territorial youth secretary Salvation Army Youth Indian Eastern Territorial Sela thank you for the devotional service tini ayan signature kata po kani hemi petur hianin o parika ken parika law sok mai sala chome ikhanin kan zo tre pa kan zo han refreshment anga ti chuanin thala hona de kan nei nga ti chuanin soi on khanin 15% off cheng sang khat le zain le khabu sa ta sona le hal theya naktu kan jong chuan sang khat za thum mani ro do le khabu do ra amo min ron order ma po ni se de kan soi do ni voina ron kan in van nei ni chu ale thank you
le ni china hin kan han lam te ho khel lo kha ling vek tu ra ngai la adu du soi turin kan so soi turin kan so mga audience naman tangin minute na pel lo ta ila kan lo pel break kan lo fail de wani pon kan thiam khau tu ra ngai la ma ro chu kan hun nei chu ma hian len ram turin in khung len ram turin kan han ni na adu du rem u soi turin so me
le kan professor kan vice chancellor da bring local com ngok pe chu ko yo pon ya na chi ba kan bu ke wa pin về lòng gió là pu te ayo te pom yang a pa tra ma tin chu ba ka a college local to na ayo te pom yang a ga pu hey bữa nay lòm đấy em cần đấy à chú hey pu đâu vậy anh ấy em kim mà vậy pu tu anh ấy à research đây research đạt degree làm cho là cái lồng đồn phía trên số đã lồng lắm mà lồng cũng là đã lồng thì khác lồng cái số là đã lồng à lồng từ cái đã lồng cũng à rồi phần này sẽ không quý trọng đã lồng là bạn lai thành bậc à cái vấn đề cái lồng em mà tin chú ba cả cái village council in 1954 là first village council cả in khăn nó nhỉถ้าตาคามให้ลำอยู่แล้วปูกระป๋าแต่พอที่first BC อ่ะครับทำเรื่องเดสกุมสมสมเลยประกันไล่เราหนีต่อจู่ไม่รอจู่ village council system อะไรครับผู้ที่มัวมันตะกะให้ลำปังอยู่เยอะเลยเยอะเลยการละมุวักเลยว่าอาหารป่ายินจู่บางชนะเรามั่งอยู่อันนี้กันเลยเรียนมิชนากับ professor ที่ประธานสอยข้าเฮ้ดูหน่อยยันกับเพื่อนเฮ้ยว่า village council system ด้วยกันเลยขับบุกด้วยกันมัวมาเราจะควบคุมเพื่อนจนแบบcouncil นี่เลยได้ตัวเลยข้ามที่ปอข้าเฮ้กันเห็นก็ยังกันกับฝูงยาเลยทำมาจนเจียงเจ้าบางเงินไว้ใหญ่ยันการพิจารณาการพูดที่พนักสอยตอนข้านี้ปัญจัยเดรัสเห็นที่ปอยยืดชาวอะไรข้าพูดที่ปอยแยกชาวใช่ไหมอินเดียมาปัญจัยเดรัสที่ปอยยืดชาวทำมันยากมิโซรัมตาปอยอะไรทัดดูรักง่ายที่เฮ้อาจารย์ยังมีอัปโปอิสาที่ไม่ยังมี development อาจารย์ที่ปอยจังกายบิเลสเขาสิลังจันdevelopment ปอยที่ทำมันหรอวะเจ้าบางจันแห่งที่ปอยลายแยกเจ้าตัวลายเจ้าชาวเจ้าตัวผู้ตัวยันนอชาวเจ้าตัวการจ่าดูเจ้าอันวันนี้ชุ่มหัวอย่างคนลองถูกันสวยดูว่ายิ่งจ่าจังว่าลองถูกันสวยอันนี้ลองเนี่ย
cái hi min shelo me the kan in sei ma sanga pu zau nun moya kania Department of Political Science ICFA University a hian kum sang ni som pasari le sang ni som pariat khan ka lo thok to a to na hian pa chunga University College a zer tir na ka thok me ka voina hian sarloma chian pa ni bo voina hetiang ang le khabu thatak mai an ron ti chuak thei hi alo mom ka tia Mizoram Political Science Association MIPSA kan tia hei kan pu Professor J Nongel kan advisor ania kan le khabu release program te hi WhatsApp group ate kapos nga la Mizoram Political Science Association IO te point lom thu kan soidua hetiang ang academician thatak mai le khabu ti chuak thei kan nei hi MIPSA ang point MIPSA OB ni mana kan soidua sa lom chunga lom thu kan soidua akut hi lo mui zel sela hei lo po le khabu thatak tak ti chuak zel turin du sakna kan landua tin Political Science Department ICFA University ina zertir tu in hetiang le khabu thatak mai anti chuak thei hi lo momin ka ria ICFA University Department of Political Science thoktu zong te lompuina kan landu boka he department chak tak department mai lo tak khi ani thina alo la ni re in ka ria tun thleng po in chunga chuan lom thu
kan sei dua lo tang sau turin sar lo mat kher lo po he sar en ki ma le mi dang te po tran lo la zol sau turin kan sei kan ngem dua to bera kan sei du chu sar lo ma mi zia a hian en ton tla tak om chu kha apui na ron sei to a mishing hi kan tai mak na hian in engkim hi alo si thuthin labor omnia vinsit kan ti akha sar lo ma hian quality te talent te hi chu apoi mo lu to ka chung zong a ye poi mo chu thorim na le tai mak na hi ani in ka shia mel chebekin por fapin le khazir tur ti hi kan soi china ani po hi chu tiang mi chu ni in ka shia tuna a thorim na ra he tianga a le khabu thata mai kan ham release te hi sar lo ma le achung te zong kha kalom puizia theu thu ka kan soi le ni eklome